Welcome back to the series of Understanding Your Numbers. In this video, we will cover understanding your summary page numbers. We'll be looking at data from our demo weekly report. This is your summary page. This page has a lot of data, but it's a little easier to comprehend. There are also some toys on this page that we will learn how to use. Let's dive right into the main data. These are the 7 and 30-day counts for initial contacts, appointments, agreements, engagements, and so forth. Your totals are in the small boxes on each line. Those numbers are broken down by the service type in the rows under the totals. We can see that of the 13 consults after workshop in the last 7 days, 8 of them were for estate planning, 2 of them are blank, and that means somebody didn't fill in the data. 2 of them are for outer law, and 1 is for other. This gives you a quick look at the numbers, but also an in-depth look at some of the underlying information. If we want to look a little deeper into that data, we can do that on any of the total numbers. A right mouse click on the number will give you the drill through option. This allows you to drill through to the data. This gives you a look at the raw data that is behind the numbers and allows you to look into it deeper. A click on the back arrow takes you back to your summary page. You can also see your retained amounts for the time frames. These will again give you the totals and the breakdowns by service. So now we know the totals for the last 7 and 30 days. We can also break down this even further. These are called slicers, and they do just that. They slice the data based on the criteria selected. If we have multiple offices, we can slice the data and see all of that data for each office individually. We are going to select Miami. Now we see just the numbers for the Miami office. We can slice the data by office, marketing, referral source, and also by attorney. Clicking the clear slicers will reset it all back to the view of everything. This summary page holds a lot of valuable data and really is the place to watch the pulse of your business. In our next video, we will cover the health check. This shows other measurements on the health of your system as well as the health of your team. The report is only as good as the data put into your CRM, and this will show you how good that data is. Remember to schedule your free PCM and report demo so we can chat about setting you up for success. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informational videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day.